boom. Remember what we were doing yesterday? Stand up. Remember? Stand.
Don't teach him to jump on the bed.
No, I'm not. We were dancing yesterday.
He doesn't want to do nothing. Pull your shade up. Pull your shade up.
My what?
Shade.
Oh, I thought you said your shirt or something. I was like, what? I don't put my shirt up so you can take a picture of me. Take a video.
I am. Hey, you say hi?
Gotta go.
Good. Your piggies are cold. Hi. Oh. Go like this. Boop.
Nanny.
Boop.
Oh. Oh.
Lay down. And you got Emma butt. So you go stick it in my face?
He's gonna break his neck.
I'm not doing nothing, Mom. I'm holding him so he doesn't fall over. Do you want to fall?
No.
Then sit down. Dance. Dance. Look at you. Ready? Whee! Whoa! Here, scoot back here. Stand up.
You say hi?
Hi.
Say, I love you.
I
You love Mama?
love Mama.
Whoa!